Describing a process. There is a flowchart in the upcoming slides. With the help of the flowchart, we are about to write the preparation of orange juice. That is how orange juice is processed. Orange juice is a tasty drink. At first, ripe oranges are harvested from the garden. Then they are sorted to remove the rotten ones. Thereafter, the good oranges are cleaned properly. Then the oranges are peeled. Next, they are crushed to extract juice. After that, syrup and water are mixed. Next, the mixture is poured in a sterilized bottle. Now, the bottles are sealed, labeled, and sent to the market for sale.